Okay, here we're bluing some 1911 parts. These are the bluing tank. You've got your cold water rinse tank with flowing water. Your bluing tank with the parts in there. We're bluing right now at about 290 degrees. We've got a hot water rinse tank and a spray off oil tank here. We blew outside because of the fumes. We've got a wind barrier up to protect for the flame. We keep these parts in there for about 25 to 30 minutes. We check the blue halfway through. In the cold water rinse tank here, we use a toothbrush to scrub the parts down, make sure that the bluing or any red scuzz is off of the parts, so we can put it back in the bluing tank for a nice deep black finish. When we're done, we'll immerse the parts in oil after we take them out of the hot water rinse tank. And then there's a special fluid that we put on there after the oil to make it actually a little bit blacker bluing.